हाल ही में हमने एक रिपोर्ट में इस बात का जिक्र किया था कि अदाकारा दिया मिर्जा मां बनने वाली है। बता दें खबर कई मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स में सामने आ रही है, लेकिन अब दिया मिर्जा की प्रेगनेंसी के राज का खुलासा हो गया है। हाल ही में दिया मिर्जा एक फंक्शन में शिरकत करने पहुंची, जहां पर उनका ग्लैमरस लुक नजर आया। साथ ही ये खबर भी अफवाह साबित हो गई है कि वो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं है। बता दें दिया मिर्जा एक फाउंडेशन की तरफ से आयोजित किए गए फंक्शन में पहुंची थी। ये फाउंडेशन बच्चों के लिए काम करता है। देखिए इस मौके पर दिया मिर्जा ने क्या कहा अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों के बारे में।
Good evening, friends. I wish I could look you in the eye, but I'm blinded right now by the lights in front of me. I just want to know. Okay, I can see now. Can I just see them, please?
Yeah, sure.
It's always wonderful.
Yeah. Can we move the cameras back a little bit, please? Yeah. There you go.
You are a gathering of truly incredible individuals. Each of you has made the time and has committed yourself to such an important cause, the cause of children. And all of you have not just made the time to be a part of this cause, but have kept time apart to, studiously study the lyrics of songs, spend hours rehearsing them, and then flying into Mumbai from Delhi and Bangalore, and taking part in this wonderful spirit of competition. I don't really call Genesis CEO's thing a competition. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to celebrate each other and celebrate our commitment to making a difference. We all know that we've all been either born into privilege or have worked our way into privilege. We've worked very hard to achieve what we have. But there are millions of children in India who need our support. And I think if each one of you can spread the good word about the incredible, extraordinary work being done by the Genesis Foundation, then I'm sure you could impact change in many more lives. And I say not just the lives of children, but the lives of all those individuals who you encourage to be a part of this change. Because I think the most extraordinary gift that each one of us receives when we give the gift of life to a child by saving the life of a child is the gift of true happiness to ourselves.
बताते चले कि दिया मिर्जा इस फाउंडेशन की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर भी हैं। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।